I know 15 is expensive, but it's the best shit. You know that.
Yeah,
your boss know that. Everyone knows that.
Yeah, I know, but 12 is all we have.
You guys are starting with your shit again.
Yeah, 12 is all we have. But we will sort you out next time.
Next time?
Yeah, next time we will sort you out.
You can be luckier like you guys.
Yeah.
Next time, it's 15 or no deal.
Yeah, I promise. It will be 15.
Give me the money.
Yeah, here we go. You've got the stuff, nigga.
You can be glad there's 12 here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is the good stuff. Let me test it.
It's the best.
Yeah, the best. Let me test it. Oh, this is great, man.
The best.
Yeah, the best stuff. Oh, let me go.
Next time.
Next time.
15.
Oh, no deal.
No deal.
I think in a number. Let me look like a planning. Some mula, some cash.
I was about game. Skawara. We'll think of something definitely. We'll think of something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ash.
Hey, my brother, can you see something? Check. There's our million. This is our million. I'm telling you. Follow that lady. Come.
Million.
Follow that lady now. Follow that lady. Hurry up, man.
Yes, hello, baby. Where are you? I've been waiting for 2 hours now. Yeah, I'm outside the bed. Kesha, love you.
What are you doing? Shut up! I'll shoot you! What? Shut up, man! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Wait! What are you doing? I'll shoot! Stop it! Stop!
Follow that fucking car!
You the boss.
Yeah, fuck off, man! I said follow that fucking car! Faster, faster! Drive faster, man! Yeah, drive faster! Stop the car! Stop here! Don't talk to me!
Whoa.
Don't talk to me!
Calm down. Don't stop pointing the gun at my head.
I told you to drive faster, but to drive like a fucking old woman.
Put the gun away before someone sees.
She's gone now.
Okay, but I'll help you. What happened there? I saw you running here. You're hijacking me. What must I do?
I was going to meet my girlfriend, and they kidnapped her. She's gone now.
Okay, I'll help. I'll help you. And we can help each other, yeah. And I need to shift some gears.
What gears are you talking about now?
My life is a mess.
So, what do you want me to do with your life?
You need to help me. I help you, you help me.
How?
We'll talk about it in the car.
No, let's talk here. I have to bring her back.
How are you gonna do that? We have the car, we can go. We go get her. Let's go get her. We work together. You help me, I help you.
Make sure we get her back. Or else I'll fucking kill you.
No problem. We can do that. Let's go.
Eish. Ek is moeg vandag.
My bra. Ek sal aanjel. Wat er tlo tuna inga Teken di bra van my.
Emna, ska wa. Mere le to re tsetsa nyo go tla re tlo bana le nyo ke medi. Thulo re tuwe. Nka
Go
bona.
kanjani my bra. Wa mso wa ke kushi. Tela ke wa man.
Mona, relax. How long to bother you? What we need to do is simple. We call the guy, her boyfriend, the one who was chasing us, and we tell him to give us $1 million. Simple as that.
Utlala di man. Mita.
Emna, what all kaya mi changwa no? What's up? What all kaya mi changwa no?
Pero di
Gusto
man.
ka sa loko wa pela mtolo mo.
No, man je proud mi bro. Wa.
So,
No, mi bravo. Ar tune dai ve.
ro ka fela po.
Wash.
Sama mo boy.
Ar do fe.
Yeah, ramalata po.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea who it might have been?
Morris.
Morris?
Yes, it might be Morris. We've been fighting for this girl since last year, but what?
Do you have any idea where we might find this Morris?
Yeah. I know where he's going.
Let's go there. Let's go.
Your phone. Your phone.
Let's go.
Listen here. I'm not gonna kill you. I just want to talk. Tell me, what's your name?
Alma,
Alma.
that's all you have to know. Did someone send you to kill me?
No. I just want money. Then I'll set you free. Now tell me here, who's gonna be able to pay for you? I need to talk to him.
My parents are dead. You can try my boyfriend, but he won't be able to afford it.
You need to give me a name. I want
He's
that
not-
$1 million. Someone has to pay that $1 million.
No one will be able
I'm not
to.
playing here.
I don't know anyone else besides.
Are you gonna talk or what? Are you gonna give me a name or what?
You can try him, but I don't know if he's going to be able to afford it.
I've got your phone here. If you're kidding me, I'll be back for you. Do you understand me?
Fuck off! Get in the car! Fuck! Yeah, fuck off, man! Yeah, fuck man! Yeah!
What happened?
Yeah, fuck man! Yeah, get the tool on. It's too long, is.
What did I do?
He's up too long, is.
Yeah.
I'm trying to see him, boy. Let's go.
I don't know anything.
Fuck! You know what I'm talking about? Where's she?
I don't know. I don't know anything. I don't know
I'm going
anything.
to kill you if you lie. If you tell me the truth, I'll let you go.
Why do you have to kill me? I didn't do anything.
We are on your way. I'm going to kill you today. Fuck you! Biangis! Where's my girlfriend? Kuluma, man. Kill him. Kill him. Hey, Kuluma, man.
I don't know anything.
What did he do?
Seriously.
Why is that your friend? Man, Kuluma, man. Kuluma, man.
I don't know anything.
Fuck. I'm sorry, he didn't want to talk.
What have you done now?
He didn't want to talk. We waste our
What have you done now, eh?
We waste our time, man. He didn't want to talk.
You fucking shit.
He's fucking useless, this guy.
Hello?
Who's that?
Who I'm talking to now?
Never mind.
Who are you? Tell me.
I want you to listen to me very carefully. If you still want to see your girlfriend, I want $1 million. Do you understand?
What? $1 million? Yes, come on, man. How can I get $1 million?
You need to find it. And you mustn't include cops, otherwise she's dead. Do you understand?
Okay, how can I know that she's alive?
Shit.
Teken, babe, please help me.
That's enough.
No, man. Let's talk. Come on. Let's talk, man.
Who's this?
Why are you late? You know we don't do that shit.
I'm sorry, boss. I was doing some things on the way.
You know me want to pack money every day.
Yeah,
this is business. Time is money, bro.
Yeah, I know, boss. I'm very sorry for that. But I brought the stuff. I'm sorry for the time, boss. I'm really sorry for the time. Yeah, boss, but you said next time it's 15. You said next time it's 15. For today, you took that off, okay, but next time you said it's 15 or not.
Bro, don't play with me.
I'm serious, boss. I'm serious. To negotiate with him. Next time 15.
15?
Yeah.
15K, there's no problem.
Yeah.
There's no problem. Okay, take this, some little shit here. Yeah, man, take this one here.
Okay, thank you, boss.
Yes.
Thank you, boss.
Hey.
Thank you, boss.
Is the stuff here?
Yes, I. Manifest, man.
Give me the sheet, man.